Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, My Pugalicious Life. My name is Haz and I hope you've all had a Pugalicious weekend. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what is inside my makeup bag. So let's just get straight on to the video. So before we start, I just wanted to say I'm really sorry that this video is up late, but to cut a long story short, I basically recorded this video hours ago, edited it, and then it literally, the files got corrupted and it wouldn't upload. So I've now had to re-record this video and try and edit it in time before you guys get to bed. So I'm really sorry if the lighting's a bit funny and obviously my hair is a mess, but I had to get a video out because, as promised, I do a video every Sunday as well as Friday and Wednesday. So yeah, let's just get straight on with it, guys. So my makeup bag came from Primark and it was £3, and I just love this because it's not too big and it's not too small, guys. So it's got a very nice like fake leather in a sky blue colour, and then it has this really pretty silver heart, and it's got this chunky silver zip with like black trim. And inside, if it will focus in, inside my bag, guys, I obviously have the essentials. So I have a tampon and a sanitary towel because you guys, you never know when you are going to need one of these. So I like to keep one of these in my makeup bag just for emergencies. And then the next item I have is this Rimmel pressed matte powder in the colour transparent, and I also have this face powder brush. Pressed powder, guys, is from Rimmel. It's about £3.99 and it is the best pressed powder I've ever used, because sometimes the other brands I've tried I put on my face but then I find it goes all like really powdery and just like blotchy, but this is just so fantastic. I will try and let the camera focus in, but because the lighting's a bit funny in here, it's probably hard for you to see, and I think half of the writing is being scrubbed off. But yeah, it is so brilliant, guys. Honestly, it's worth giving it a go. And then obviously I like to use it with my Soap & Glory powder brush, and I'm not quite sure where I got this from. I think I got it from Boots in a Soap & Glory gift set pack. So I'm not sure if you can get that still in store, but maybe it's worth a try looking on eBay or something like that. And the next item I have in my makeup bag is a kink-free hairband and also this clip, because as you saw in my what is in my handbag video, I like to keep these items wherever I go, because like I said, if you have your hair down and then you decide to put it up because it's been raining or for whatever reason, these are just, you know, they're just like essentials to have, really. And then the next item I have is a mirror. So usually I take a smaller mirror than this, guys, but I couldn't find my normal mirror, so I've been using this for the last couple of days. And it is good because obviously you've got the side that magnifies your face and then you just have the normal like mirror. But it's quite heavy, so I really need to find my normal compact mirror, guys. But I do love this because it is quite handy, because if you need to like use both of your hands to top up your makeup or something, it's got this handy little stand. So yeah, I literally, wherever I go, I always have a mirror with me. And then the next item is this mini perfume. So this came from New Look and it's in the fragrance Pure Devotion, and I absolutely love New Look fragrances because they last for ages. But I particularly like this one. It was about £2.99 because it's so tiny and you can take it anywhere with you. So if you just need to like have a quick like refresh, like spritz, this is just perfect for that without like having to carry like a massive big perfume bottle with you. And then next, guys, I have, so, well, it depends if I'm wearing obviously lipstick or lip gloss. So today I was wearing this lip gloss and it's by Makeup Revolution and it's their amazing lip gloss range, and this is in the colour Nude Shimmer. And honestly, guys, I just love Makeup Revolution makeup. It is so like, it's really good like quality for like your money. So like I find the eyeshadows are very pigmented, but then also like the lipsticks and the lip glosses actually like go on your lips really smoothly and nice. And I also find that sometimes when you put lip sticks on or lip glosses, you have to then reapply it, and sometimes it just doesn't go on, probably goes all cakey. And yeah, before I forget, you know that I was redoing my study like junk room, as you saw in my house tutorial. I couldn't really decide what I was going to do with that room, but obviously I said in my last video that I was going to be turning it into like a YouTube room, so I can do really good videos with like a nice backdrop, because in my bedroom it's just a bit hard to like do videos, because obviously if I want to do a makeup tutorial for you guys, the window is not in the right position, and then also it's going to be pretty hard trying to do it on my bed, like everything's just going to be rolling off. So in that room, it's nearly finished, guys, and if I don't mind saying myself, it looks amazing. I'm just waiting for a couple more things to arrive, so once they arrive, guys, I will be doing a update YouTube recording room tour, and also I can do some makeup tutorials, because you guys have been asking for makeup tutorials, and that room is just perfect because you have the big window, all the light shines through, and then also I have that big background behind me that I've made look very attractive, so when I'm videoing you have something nice to look at in the background and not just loads of shelves with junk on. So yeah, the next thing in my makeup bag, guys, is this mini hand cream. So this is something that Georgie got me for if it will focus in, guys, because it's trying to focus in on my head. So yeah, that's not going to focus in. So I have a mini hand cream, guys, and I just think, why have a massive big bottle of hand cream in your makeup bag when you're not even going to be using all of that? So this is pointless, just carrying around a big heavy hand cream or hand lotion in your makeup bag. Just go and buy travel size. I just love this hand lotion. It's got almond milk in and it smells lovely. You should definitely go and have a look in like the travel sections in like Boots and Superdrug and Savers, because you can pick up loads of like little mini travel size like items that are perfect to go in your makeup bag. And next, guys, I'm not sure where I got this from. I think it was Holland & Barrett, but it's basically the brand Mind Over Matter, and it's a motivating aroma balm with essential oils. So what you do, guys, is you just basically put this on your pressure points, or your, not pressure points, your pulse points. So it's literally got loads of essential oils in, you put it on your pulse points, and it's basically meant to make you feel a bit more uplifted, kind of like Pro Plus, but this is obviously more healthy for you than taking tablets. So it's meant to make you feel a bit more energized. Oh, energized. There you go, it's very energized. So yeah, it smells quite nice, but it's basically smells of like loads of like natural kind of plants and like essential oil kind of smells. So it's not going to be to everyone's like taste, the scent, but I quite like it. I don't know if it actually works or not, but you know, I just bought this and I thought I'll just give it a go. But yeah, I don't think if it actually really works. I just think it's all in the mind, really. I think you put it on and then you immediately think I'm like feeling motivated. But yeah, anyway. The next thing I have in my makeup bag, guys, is, I don't know about you girls, but I always carry around cotton buds. Like, these are so good for like touching up your makeup, especially if it's raining and then your mascara starts running or your eyes start watering. All you need to do is get your cotton bud and just touch it up. These are perfect. So I always have cotton buds in my makeup bag. Some people probably think I'm really random, like that's a bit gross. But it's not to clean out my hairs while I'm on the go, guys. It's actually to touch up my makeup. So yeah. And then the last thing in my makeup bag, guys, is got to be one of my favourite items that I recently bought, and it's from Primark. It's basically like a lip balm, lip scrub combo pot. So this is the, oh, my camera just always wants to focus on my face. This is the lip balm, and then on the other side you have the lip scrub, and I bought it in the fragrance strawberry, and oh my gosh, guys, Pugsters, this smells delicious. This was the only one I could find in my Primark in this fragrance, but they did do these like little mini lip scrub pots. So one of them was strawberry and the other one was coconut. I think they're about £2, so for £3, for the extra pound obviously, you get the lip balm. I thought this was, you know, you might as well just get this one, guys, because then also you've got less things like pots and things to carry around in your makeup bag. But also, if you would like me to do a little mini video tutorial on how to make your own homemade lip scrub, just comment down below, guys, because I recently made a candy floss fragrance one, and then also a chocolate one, and also a, what else was it? A strawberry one as well, I think. Yeah, candy floss, chocolate and strawberry, and they are all edible, because these ones I don't think are edible. I know the Lush one's edible, but I always find that the Lush lip scrubs are quite expensive, so I can show you how to make your own edible lip scrub for under £2, I think, guys. Under £2 or less than that. So if you'd like me to do one, just comment down below, guys. But yeah, that is everything that I have in my makeup bag. Oh, apart from another cotton bud. But if you like this video, guys, all you need to do is give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel and you ain't already a Pugster, just hit that subscribe button down below, because I do a video every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. And also, if you'd like a hashtag beapugster shout out, just look down in the description box on how to get one of them. And today the shout out goes to Alice Loves Life. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I apologise once again that it's up quite late, but I hope you forgive me, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.